Cook like a pro with Hamilton Beach Professional, juice, grind, mix more. Hamilton Beach Professional offers a powerful and versatile appliance featuring 13 functions, including juicing, blending, and grinding. The unique square jars provide stability and efficient blending, perfect for making smoothies, sauces, and fresh juices. This appliance enhances your cooking experience with its convenience, efficiency, and reliability. Expertly powers through every ingredient, designed to deliver ultimate quality in mixing and grinding various foods. This appliance can handle challenging spices such as cinnamon sticks, turmeric, and spice mixes like garam masala. You can also create perfectly smooth sauces, juices, and more. The appliance is engineered to prevent overheating and minimize the need for frequent blade replacements. It is a product of collaboration between engineers in the USA and India, incorporating insights from Indian culinary experts to ensure exceptional performance, durability, and safety. Powerful motor. The 1400W motor is both powerful and versatile, ensuring superior performance and longevity. It offers variable speed settings ranging from 3,000 RPMs to 18,000 RPMs, supported by an intelligent speed sensor for consistent results regardless of the food load. This mixer can run with wet ingredients for up to 400 hours, and its blades can endure ice crushing for at least 4,000 cycles, delivering exceptional results. Stainless steel blade. The universal stainless steel blades can effortlessly power through any ingredient, eliminating the need to change blades for different tasks like juicing, blending, or grinding. These blades are designed to handle all kinds of ingredients with ease and are built to last, expertly powering through even the toughest ingredients. Custom cooking options. This appliance offers 13 versatile programs, including juicing, blending, grinding, mixing, chopping, mincing, kneading, whipping, grating, pulverizing, emulsifying, pureeing, ice crushing. It features manual and preset selection buttons, allowing you to easily select the correct function and preset your most used functions. The appliance provides 5 grind settings: coarse, medium, fine, partial, and full grind, and 5 mix and blend settings: dry, wet, hard, wet, soft, soup, and blend, to achieve the perfect texture and consistency. The pulse function offers more control over your blending. Leak-proof design. The Hamilton Beach JMG features shatterproof Triton jars and lids with robust sealing gaskets and locking tabs to ensure a leak-free experience. These jars are available in 0.5 liter, 1.0 liter, and 1.5 liter sizes. The jar and lid locks are designed to withstand a minimum of 6,000 uses, and the handles remain intact for at least 48,000 cycles. The expertly designed square jars promote more efficient blending by creating a better vortex, which helps ingredients circulate more evenly and reduces the need for frequent scraping. Advanced electronics. The appliance is equipped with advanced electronics that provide infinite speed control and processing versatility. It is designed to prevent motor overheating and reduce the need for frequent blade replacements. Safety is a top priority, with features like double interlocks, an auto-braking system, secure jar handles, and easy-to-remove lids providing peace of mind. The appliance is built to last, ensuring it remains a trusted kitchen companion for years to come. In summary, Hamilton Beach Professional offers a comprehensive, high-performance kitchen appliance that combines power, versatility, and durability to enhance your cooking experience.